Good morning, everybody. Hi, I'm going to quickly do this. I'm sorry I look like crap. There are no beauty lights. There's no nothing. I got a package today. Can you see the tape? I didn't think it was coming today. I didn't think it was coming for at least another couple weeks. But I thought we might as well do a little bit of an unboxing just for Instagram. No edit, no nothing. So I'm just gonna quickly unbox it. Oh, there's some cute, can you see? Pink paper. It's not important, but okay. Okay, there's nothing in here, right? Oh, there is. That's not bad. So I got okay, I'm kind of stupid in case anybody's wondering. I wanted to get a nude liquid lip to do this look, which I will be doing in the next couple days so I can post and have like an actual good video on it. And so I put one in, but it was one that I already had. But I also got Weirdo because it's the holiday season, and by holiday season I mean spooky season, and I thought we definitely need a black liquid lip, right? And I also wanted Drug Lord, but it was out at the time and now it's back, but anyways, so we have that. I got the Magic Star translucent setting powder, just the normal one. I wanted to try it. The other thing I wanted to try was the Magic Star concealer. I got shade C4. Let's open her up. There it is. Okay, it's beautiful, honestly. I think it'll be about right. It looks about right. It's so pretty. Let's open up the setting powder. Quick unboxing, so fast. I got the normal, like the original. It's very nice. Oh, I'm cross-threading it. Oh no. Very pretty. I can't wait to try it out. The gloss, I got Pretzel Drip because that name is just iconic. I'm gonna be so transparent. It's just an iconic name, and I was like, yep, that's the one. Okay. Come on, let's go. The gloss. See, this is bad because I don't have any beauty lights on, so you can actually see it. But like, look at, do you see how pretty it is? It's pretty, it's beautiful. I love the nude component thing. You know? So, Orgy palette bundle. So, I bought the bundle and I just got an email from Jeffree Star Cosmetics saying that the mini, there was a problem with the formula. It's still safe to use, but let's just open it up a little bit. Okay, it's not gonna come out. Yeah, I got an email saying it's still perfectly safe to use, but there was a problem with the formula or something. So it's beautiful. They said they will probably be sending me a new one. It's pretty. Very, very pretty. I love it. Cute. Iconic. Oops. There we go. And the palette. I am so excited for this palette. It's huge. Oh, okay, so I didn't realize that the component thingy, like I don't know what it's called. I just keep saying the wrong words. But this thing is like a soft touch, which is nice. And then, look at, oh, look at. Okay, listen, I love wearing just a nude eye, and this is it. This is my go-to palette. I've hit pan on all of my conspiracy palette ones, And so I'm so excited. I'm so happy. So I will do a review and everything very, very soon. Like I've said in my previous couple of videos, I'm in school right now, so it's a little hard to just sit in front of a camera and quickly do my makeup, but I will try my hardest. I love you all. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I love you.